Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking eBay. Today I want to show you a haul I just got the other day. I was at a local yard sale that my community puts on once a year, and I picked up a couple of these things. I got even more, but I want to show you this lot right here, which is very, very interesting. I was walking by, I scouted out all the places, looked all around. I picked up a VCR DVD combo that actually records. I got one of those. I picked up also a whole stack of Cobra CBs. Lady just wanted to get rid of it. That was $30 for the whole bin, like 5 or 6 Cobras, antennas, and everything. But this is the cream of the crop here, guys. Look at this. This is awesome. What I picked up here was amazing. All this here you're seeing here, $20, okay? And that's amazing. This little mini projector, I just want to go over with you what I have here. So this here first, let's go over this first. This is a little like a fast help type of kit. So when you press a button like a fallen, can't get up kind of thing. It calls 911 and uses cell phone service with no subscription needed. All cell phones have to dial 911 by law, and this utilizes that technology. So this was in here, all brand new in the box. I asked the lady how much, so I got a bundle together. So give me $1 for this, $2 for that, and $5 for this. So altogether, after I wheeled and dealed, everything was $20. This here sells for, I'm listing this for $99. Here is a Blue Raspberry USB microphone by Blue. Fantastic. Everything works. I tested it. This microphone here, again, all part of this whole bundle. This sells for around between $60 and $50 and $60 for this microphone right here. I'm actually going to keep that for myself when I go on the road. This is another dual microphone. This guy had all this technology. He didn't care. Dual microphones, brand new, Ultralink. So this is a dual microphone system with the USB for the receiver. Dual channel. This sells for $120. That's what I'm going to sell that for. And this here is a cool little, I just grabbed this stuff. Like, it looks really awesome. And the guy, seems like he has some good stuff. So I got to show you this. This is a mini projector. I know it's crazy, but that's what's in here. And I just couldn't believe it's like really kind of cool. Let me just show you this thing. And this was a big deal in 2016 when this first came out. This was out in 2016. It was a CES award for 2016 for the technology. And I really wasn't 100% sure. I knew it was cool. I knew it looked expensive. It came with all the adapters and came with everything. But let me pull this out. Let me just show you this mini projector. Look at this thing. Isn't this cool? This is an actual projector that actually works. It works fantastic. You can do over Wi-Fi or micro HDMI cable. It works. I tested it. This little device, when it first came out, was between $500 and $700. I have this listed used for $200. So $200, $300, $400, $450, $500 roughly right here for $20. Yes, you can make money out there. Get out there, look around. Don't be afraid to take a risk if you're not 100% sure. If it's new in the package and it's decent, reasonable price, grab it. Doesn't matter. Something like this here, when you see something like this here, grab it. If it's shop money, $1 or $2, doesn't matter. Always take the risk, but also when you see things that really look good and expensive, definitely buy it. If you wanted $20 for this, I would have paid for it. But this whole deal, so I just want to show you what's out there. Don't be afraid to take a risk. Definitely look. Get out there in the yard sales, estate sales, doesn't really matter. I always talk about that on my channel. And don't forget to follow, like, and share on my channel. We're doing more unboxings or showing you what I've received at yard sales to give you some ideas to be on the lookout for and not to be afraid to take a chance. This is a great deal. And I bought even more stuff. I probably got like $1,000 retail worth of stuff at this one yard sale. So that's really cool. So all right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Just a quick showing what I have. Don't be afraid to take a risk. Get out there and look around. Poke, and I went by several times before I saw this. So sometimes when you walk by the first time, you don't see it. Go by several times. Look at the tables. I put things in the car. I went back, looked at more tables, and I saw this stuff at the end. So always go back. Sometimes you do miss things when you're rushing, you're looking through, and just take your time. Go back, negotiate. People want to move their stuff out. They don't care at this point. And your job as a buy it is for you make the money on the buy. So I made my money on the buy. Even if I sell this at 50% less than I told you, I still made a fortune on this. So don't be afraid. Get out there and definitely source the yard sales, estate sales, like I tell you in my channel. Don't forget to listen to my podcast, Talking eBay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more future videos, unboxings, and cool videos just like this. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this one. I appreciate it as always. And don't forget to enter that contest. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. So when I hit that 500, I'm giving that giveaway from that for that eBay tumbler at the end of the video. So click on that video next over here and enter the contest and type I'm in. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next video.